Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to know about the origin and the recipe of marmalade. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. The Romans learned from the Greeks that quinces slowly cooked with honey would set when cool. The Apicius gives a recipe for preserving whole quinces, stems and leaves attached, in a bath of honey diluted with De Frutum Roman. Marmalade. Preserves of quince and lemon appear along with rose, apple, plum and pear in the Book of Ceremonies of the Byzantine Emperor Constantine VII Porphyrogenitus. Medieval quince preserves, which went by the French name Cotignac, produced in a clear version and a fruit pulp version, began to lose their medieval seasoning of spices in the 16th century. In the 17th century, La Varenne provided recipes for both thick and clear Cotignac. In 1524, Henry VIII received a box of marmalade from Mr. Hull of Exeter. As it was in a box, this was probably marmelada, a solid quince paste from Portugal, still made and sold in southern Europe. Marmalade was served at the wedding banquet of the daughter of John Neville in Yorkshire in 1530. Its Portuguese origins can be detected in the remarks in letters to Lord Lisle, from William Gret, the 12th of May 1534, I have sent to your lordship a box of marmalade, and another unto my good lady your wife, and from Richard Lee, the 14th of December 1536, he most heartily thanketh her ladyship for her marmalado. It was a favourite treat of Anne Boleyn and her ladies in waiting. The first printed recipe for orange marmalade, though without the chunks typically used now, was in Mary Kettleby's 1714 Cookery Book, a collection of above 300 receipts, pages 78-79. Kettleby called for whole oranges, lemon juice and sugar, with the acid in the lemon juice helping to create the pectin set of marmalade, by boiling the lemon and orange juice with the pulp. Kettleby then directs, boil the whole pretty fast till it will jelly the first. No news of the wood jelly in marmalade making. Kettleby then instructs that the mixture is then poured into glasses, covered and left until set, as the acid would create a jelly. This meant that the mixture could be pulled from the heat before it had turned to a paste, keeping the marmalade much brighter and the appearance more translucent, as in modern day marmalade. The Scots moved marmalade to the breakfast table, and in the 19th century the English followed the Scottish example and abandoned the eating of marmalade in the evening. Marmalade's place in British life appears in literature. James Boswell remarks that he and Samuel Johnson were offered it at breakfast in Scotland in 1773. When American writer Louisa May Alcott visited Britain in the 1800s, she described a choice pot of marmalade and a slice of cold ham as essentials of English table comfort. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell button.